Hey lovelies! Today we make a Dreamcatcher together. You can make a round Dreamcatcher or something different like this one, but I recommend for beginners to start with a round Dreamcatcher. And sorry for my voice, I'm a little bit sick, but I'm feeling better right now. First of all, I need a clear space. I have some wooden beads, also some brass beads and gemstones. But you can choose whatever you want. This is what you need. We start with the thread and the circle. To put the thread around the circle like this one. Our next step is to make the thread inside the Dreamcatcher. You can choose every color you want. I like these colors, but I think I will take this one. At first you make a knot here again. You are here and then you go there under the circle and come out of it again like this one. Now you are here and then again you go here and came out of it, and again you go here and go under the circle and came out of it again, and again to make it the whole circle. And the last one at the top of the circle, make the same knots again and again, but not on the outer circle. Now we start to make it here in the middle of the thread. But now it is easier to make it just by thread. Now I cut off the thread because you have to go this way, but you make the same knot again and again. I make a little monster ball of thread. And now we go above and then came out. And again here and came out here and came out here, came out. Now we start the second circle. We make a knot here in the middle of the thread, and now if you want to make some beads inside the circle, you have to put it on the thread and start again. I make last round. Now we are in the middle and I put some brass and wooden beads inside the middle. And now I make a knot. We are finished with the inner circle. Now we can start with the hanging stuff. You can choose whatever you want. I have some brass and wooden beads, also an old macrame earring. If you are finished with your hanging threads, you can make it on your Dreamcatcher. It's very easy because you just have to double knot the thread. And the last step is the thread above the Dreamcatcher. We grab the thread and make a knot here. And this is your final Dreamcatcher. You can hang it on a wall or on a tree if you want, or with other Dreamcatchers. I hope you enjoy and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.